Good morning, assembly attention. Stand at ease, assembly attention. Salute.
The greatest wealth is health. Respected headmasters, teachers, parents and my dear friends, a warm good morning to everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Altia John from Standard 7 and we, the students of St.Lourde UP School Vadackal, are hosting today online assembly. Let's start today by seeking the blessings of the Almighty. I would like to invite Alina Sebastian for the prayer.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be season refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops hundreds are falling, but for the showers we plead.
Pledge impacts feeling of nationalism among us. Let's take oath. So, for pledge, I would like to call Vivek from class 5th.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness.
A positive thought reminds us to stay positive. To inspire us with thought, here comes Mia Eshudas from class 6th.
Good morning to all of you. Today's thought is, every day is a chance to change your life. I repeat my thought, every day is a chance to change your life. Means, every day is a new chance for us to do better. So, if you really want to do better, listen carefully, practice more, be confident, be happy and be positive. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Mia, for your good presentation. News inform us about the events that are happening around us. To get today's news headlines, I would like to call Leah Maria Jackson from class 5th.
Good morning to all. Today's news read by Leah Maria Jackson of Standard 5th. Headlines: NEET 2020 result declared. 2 candidates score full marks. Smoke returns to Indian capital as agriculture fires start. Climate change spurs doubling of disasters in 2000 UN. Top stories: legendary Malayalam poet Akittam passes away. Kerala State Film Awards. Vasanthi is the best film. Kani Kusathi declared as best actress. IAF to get Rafale second batch in November. Sports. Srikanth sails into Denmark Open quarters. Mbappe double help. PSG beat Nice top League 1. IPL 2020. Mumbai Indians vs Kings 11 Punjab in Dubai. Head to head. That's all for today's news. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Leah, for the latest news headlines. To brightness our assembly, I would like to call Andia, Pratana and Ashima from class 3rd for a conversation.
I am Andrea. Now we are going to present here a conversation based on the lesson Great Butterfly. Sunflower, sunflower. Sunflower, sunflower. Great butterfly, tell me. It's raining heavily. What can I do for you? Shall we countries are there. It's very nice picture. I like this picture very much. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I would like to call upon Bekita from class 5th to share her views on United Nations Organization.
Hello friends, I am Bekita from class 5th. Now I am going to share some points about United Nations. The United Nations is an organization between countries established on 24th October 1945. The UN headquarters are in New York, USA. A set of rules called the Charter of the United Nations organization was signed by 50 member countries including India. Today, 193 countries are members of the United Nations organization. The main goals of the United Nations are to maintain international peace and security, to develop friendly relations among nations, to active international cooperation, and it also provides expertise and assistance during epidemic and other natural calamities. Thank you.
Now, here is Sona Thomas from 3rd standard is presenting a role play for us.
My name is Sona Thomas. I am going to present a conversation between friends. These are the friends. This is Maya. This is Meenu. This is Binu. And this is Riyaz. White is flying high. No, my yellow one is higher. Look, there is another one flying above all our kites. It has a colorful tail. Whose kite is that? Not a kite, it's a bird. It's mine. Who is that? Meenu, is it your? Yes, it's my kitty. Thank you.
Here is Alina Sebastian with an interesting rainbow song.
I am Alina Sebastian. I am studying 2nd standard. I can name the colors of the rainbow. I can name the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow and green. Blue, indigo and violet. I see in the rainbow. I can find the colors of the rainbow. I can find the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow and green. Blue, indigo and violet. I see in the rainbow. Thank you.
Exercise promote health, growth and development. Now, I would like to call Ashna KJ from class 6 to show some exercises.
Hello friends, I am Ashma KJ from class 6. I am going to show you some exercise. Okay, let's start. First exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for watching.
I invite respected headmisters Maya ma'am to address our assembly. Ma'am, please.
A very good morning to my dear children and my dear teachers. It seems the angels in our school have the privilege to addressing you all in this digital assembly. I hope you and your siblings, your parents and your grandparents are also safe and healthy in your family. I'm sure to appreciate that in spite of this enforced lockdown and stay at home, the school has ensured to keep you engaged in learning. Our government is providing study at home program planned with great care and it took a lot of effort from our teachers and all the team members to make it possible. But then, at this point, I must acknowledge that your parents who stepped into the role of a teacher to support your learning program experiences at home have to be greatly appreciated. Keep safe at home and break the chain for virus. Be safe and be good. Thank you.
Now get ready for national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उच्चल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जाहे तब शुभ आशीष माहे गाहे तब जय दादा जनगण मंगलदाय